Imagine this. You grab your phone and suddenly the software feels brand new. Not just a little smoother, not just a couple of shiny icons, but a whole wave of fresh features that make you think, wow, this is what my phone was missing. That's exactly what's about to happen, because Samsung's One UI 8 rollout is closer than you think, and it's bringing surprises for Galaxy fans across the board. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the biggest updates in tech. Now, let's get into the juicy part. If you own a Galaxy S23, Z Flip 5, or Z Fold 5, the wait might finally be over. Fresh reports say the One UI 8 beta could hit these devices as early as next week. Not sometime in September, not later this fall. We're talking first week of September levels of soon. That means these 2023 flagships are about to get a taste of Android 16 powered One UI magic ahead of most other phones. Just make sure your current software is fully updated and that you've got the latest Samsung Members app, because enrollment for the beta doesn't wait around. Blink and you might miss the sign-up window. But here's where it gets even more interesting. While everyone's waiting for their turn, the Galaxy S24 lineup just got its second One UI 8 beta yesterday, and Samsung sneakily packed in 3 new features that weren't even on the changelog. First up, Audio Eraser V2. This one's like noise canceling on steroids. It doesn't just mute background hum, it uses AI to strip away specific types of sounds, from chatter to traffic, leaving your recordings clean and crisp. Then there's call captions, which feels like something out of the future. Imagine your phone turning live conversations into on-screen text instantly. Perfect if you're in a crowded space or just want extra clarity. And then the long-requested brief finally makes its comeback, now smarter than ever. It compiles your daily personalized updates, and with the new waveform toggle, it can literally speak your briefing aloud, complete with extended YouTube suggestions baked in. Now here comes the plot twist. Samsung isn't just cooking up features for the S24 and newer models. Behind the scenes, testing is already happening on a much wider range of devices, from the S22 series all the way down to Galaxy models like the A36 and A55, plus tablets like the Tab S10 and even the rugged Tab Active 5 Pro. That's a massive net Samsung is casting, which means chances are high your device might be in line for the update. But not all news is good news. If you're holding onto a Galaxy S21, this might sting. Despite still being powerful, it looks like One UI 8 won't be landing there. Why? Because Samsung's 4-year major update promise has already been fulfilled for that lineup. The same thing happened with the S20 series last year. They hit their update ceiling, and history is repeating itself. A tough pill to swallow, especially as newer devices now come with 7 years of promised updates, putting them on par with Apple's famously long support. So while the S24, Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, and even the latest Fold 7 and Flip 7 are safe for years to come, the S21 is bowing out. And here's why this update is a big deal. One UI 8 isn't just another polish. It's Samsung's biggest software push yet. We're talking redesigned icons, smoother animations, a cleaner system look, and a whole lot more AI baked right in. From smarter camera suggestions to personalized system tweaks, Samsung wants your phone to feel alive, not just functional. The stakes are higher than ever too, because Apple's about to roll out iOS 26 with its new liquid glass design, and fans will be comparing both ecosystems side by side. If Samsung fumbles here, users will notice. Early polls already show how divided Galaxy owners feel. About 30% are ready to jump straight into the beta, bugs and all. Around 20% are cautiously optimistic, but only if stability checks out. And more than half of people, they're sitting back, waiting for the polished, official release. That means while hype is strong, patience is stronger, and Samsung needs to deliver something worth waiting for. So whether you're itching to try the beta the second it drops on your S23, or you're content waiting for the rock, solid, stable release, one thing's clear. One UI 8 is about to reshape how Galaxy devices feel. From AI-driven upgrades to wider device support, this isn't just a small leap, it's a statement. The only real question is, will Samsung roll it out fast enough to keep up with the competition? Now let me throw it to you. Would you risk jumping into the beta early, or are you the type to play it safe and wait for the final release? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's see where most of you stand.